Hi,
Hello,
welcome to our company. This is the Joker from China's Skyline.
this is Victor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you. I'm very interested about your company products, so could you let me know what is?
Okay, as you can see, these are Black Series GSM modem for 8 ports, 16 ports, 32 ports, and 64 ports.
Okay, so this is one is 32 port.
Yeah. It is per 32 SIMs to send SMS and receive SMS at the same time.
Okay. So could you tell me how does it work?
Okay, our GSM modem are based on software. You just need to put this device connected with your computer and install software.
Okay. So I want to know this product can help me make money?
Yes, of course. There are 2 ways for you to make money. One, you can use the device with us. We have our traffic. We provide you our Buka apps to send traffic. 2, you can use the device for your own traffic to receive and send. We will provide you SMS capture for free.
Okay, I see. So I will let you know when I back to the company. I will ask our purchase manager to contact you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.